power of good is in all of us. Even our smallest actions can make a big difference. An act of kindness for someone you know. Or someone you don't. That not only helps the community, but the planet too.
Beach cleanup.
Creating a more sustainable, healthier, and less wasteful future. Your story can have a positive impact. Take the Sony Vlog Challenge 2022. Create a vlog with the theme, The Power of Good. It's easy to enter. Follow our official social media profile. Shoot and upload your vlog with the theme. Add our hashtag to the title or caption of your video. Check the official website for full details. Take the Sony Vlog Challenge and share the power of good for your chance to win amazing prizes. To find out more, visit our website.